If I put $1,000 into a person's checking account, would she spend some of it? Most likely she would. Now consider a slightly different question. Most adults are actively trying to save for retirement when they won't work and will make less money. Imagine I put the $1,000 instead into this same person's retirement savings account. Would she spend some of it in that case? For a lot of people, the answer is no. This is strange from an economic standpoint. $1,000 is $1,000, no matter how you label it. Your spending habits shouldn't change whether I put the money in your wallet, bank account, or a jar in your house. This illustrates an idea called mental accounting. Deciding how much to spend and save is tricky, so people take a shortcut. They keep different accounts in their heads for different things, even if all the money's technically theirs. Another example I find quite funny is about two famous Hollywood actors, Dustin Hoffman and Gene Hackman, back when they were young and struggling actors. One day, Gene Hackman went over to Dustin Hoffman's house, and Dustin asked Gene for a loan so he could get some food. Gene went into Dustin's kitchen and saw jars full of money. One jar said entertainment, one jar said books, one said rent, and they were all full. The food jar, though, was empty. So Gene said, "You have plenty of money. Why do you need money from me?" And Dustin Hoffman replied, "There's no money in the food jar. I can't touch the other money." This is mental accounting at work. It was easier for Dustin Hoffman if he keeps everything separate in his head, but he wasn't actually starving or anything. I'll leave you with two thoughts that these examples illustrate. One, people don't always act like they do in our models when they make real-life spending and saving decisions. And two, economics is fun precisely because people are more complicated than our models. This type of mental accounting is something economists study a lot, and it helps us suggest better ways of designing policies like the Federal Food Assistance Program. Our job is to study how people act and explain it as best we can. But as Dustin Hoffman shows, that's not always easy.